Here's a crisp overview of what to expect from ChatGPT in 2026, based on the latest updates and projections. From simple text generation to intelligent collaboration, ChatGPT has evolved into a true AI super assistant. Let's explore what makes 2026 a landmark year for artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is no longer just a chatbot. It's a proactive assistant that understands context, executes tasks, and even collaborates with other AI agents. Expect dedicated hardware, voice-activated, always on, and seamlessly integrated into your daily life. AI is stepping off the screen and into your environment. ChatGPT now learns your preferences, tone, and even emotional cues. Whether you want it professional, casual, or empathetic, it adapts to you. Welcome to the age of agentic AI, where ChatGPT sets goals, solves problems, and improves itself over time. It's not just reactive, it's strategic. With deep integrations across platforms, ChatGPT becomes your productivity hub, pulling in data, scheduling tasks, and streamlining your workflow. 2026 marks the rise of intelligent collaboration. So what's next? Maybe you'll help shape GPT-6. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.